Welcome to the future of relaxation. Let's explore the top modern bathroom design trends defining 2026. This year, we're seeing a beautiful blend of minimalist layouts and warm, inviting atmospheres that truly elevate the home. The bathroom is no longer just a utility room. It has transformed into a personal, deeply cozy spa sanctuary for daily wellness. Our first major trend is biophilic design. Bringing nature indoors with dedicated plant zones creates a calming, organic oasis. Fluted glass is everywhere. It offers essential privacy while allowing soft, beautiful natural light to filter through the room. Floating wood vanities remain essential. They provide a clean, modern aesthetic while injecting incredible warmth into the space. For hardware, brushed brass and warm metals are taking over, adding an elegant, luxurious touch against minimalist backdrops. Say goodbye to grout lines. Massive, large format tiles create seamless, expansive surfaces that feel incredibly clean and modern. Lighting in 2026 is all about the mood. Indirect, warm LED glows replace harsh overheads for a truly relaxing, cozy experience. Finally, the open concept wet room. Combining the tub and shower into one spacious, glass-enclosed zone maximizes functionality. Earthy terracotta is making a huge comeback. It brings an undeniable organic warmth and grounding energy to sleek, minimalist spaces. Soft arches are replacing sharp corners. They introduce a gentle, calming fluidity to the architecture of the modern bathroom. 2026 embraces smart technology, but keeps it completely hidden. It enhances daily routines without disrupting the cozy aesthetic. The Japanese ofuro tub is a massive trend. These deep, space-saving wooden tubs offer the ultimate cozy soaking experience. Micro-cement finishes offer a seamless look. This continuous texture wraps the room in a durable, minimalist, and cozy hug. Say hello to sculptural pedestal sinks. These standalone stone pieces act as stunning functional art in minimalist spaces. Vertical wood slat panels are perfect. They instantly warm up the bathroom while maintaining clean, modern, linear aesthetics. Vintage rugs add instant soul. The contrast between a patterned textile and sleek, minimalist fixtures creates incredible warmth. Frameless skylights transform the space. Showering under the open sky brings a flood of natural light and an airy, cozy vibe. Color drenching is bold yet soothing. Painting the entire room in one warm, muted tone creates an immersive, cozy, modern feel. Built-in shower benches are essential for 2026. They transform a quick daily routine into a prolonged, cozy, spa-like ritual. Dark stone tubs act as dramatic focal points. They anchor the space while maintaining a deeply grounding, cozy aesthetic. Seamless, illuminated wall niches replace bulky shelving. This integrated storage keeps the minimalist space clean and cozy. Embracing wabi-sabi, organic and imperfect shapes soften the room. These elements add immense warmth to minimalist environments. Terrazzo is back, but bigger. Oversized chips in earthy tones create a playful yet sophisticated base for the entire room. Hardware-free, push-to-open cabinetry is the ultimate minimalist flex. It creates a sleek, uninterrupted flow of warm wood. Slatted wooden bath mats bring an authentic sauna feel home. They offer a warm, tactile step out of the shower every single day. Matte black accents provide stunning contrast. Paired with warm, earthy backgrounds, they create a sophisticated, cozy look. Rigid furniture is out. Softly curved vanity units introduce a gentle, flowing energy that makes the bathroom deeply cozy. Ambient baseboard lighting creates a floating effect. It offers a soothing, functional glow for nighttime use without harsh glare. Reeded wood details add incredible tactile warmth. The ribbed texture brings a cozy depth to strictly minimalist bathroom spaces. Asymmetrical layouts break the rules. Off-center sinks and mirrors create a relaxed, effortlessly modern, and highly functional vibe. Built-in architectural planters merge nature with structure. They bring vibrant life directly into your everyday showering space. Matte white fixtures offer a brilliant, clean contrast. They provide a velvety, soft touch against warm, highly textured backgrounds. Textured glass partitions offer essential privacy. They beautifully diffuse natural light while keeping the room feeling open and cozy. Raw, hand-carved stone basins bring the outdoors in. They perfectly balance rugged, earthy coziness with sleek, modern architectural lines. Hidden towel warming drawers provide invisible luxury. They keep the walls uncluttered, ensuring a warm towel is always ready. Tonal layering creates an enveloping atmosphere. Using multiple shades of warm beige makes the room feel unified and deeply relaxing. 2026 blends sleek minimalism with deeply cozy, natural elements. The modern bathroom is now your ultimate personal home sanctuary. Thank you for joining our room tour. Embrace these cozy, minimalist trends to design a functional, beautiful space you will truly love.